Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So there are some certain comments and questions that I've been seeing on my page. So I want us to address them today, inshallah. Some of them are very controversial, so I think it's important that we address them today, inshallah. One of the most common ones is when I see people asking, why did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam marry a 6-year-old, or some people say a 9-year-old? One thing I want us to understand is in Islam, marriage could occur before puberty, but consummation of the marriage only occurs if the lady is physically able to. Islam actually gives us the principle like, has a woman reached the age of maturity? Is she able to perform wifely duties? Is it going to harm her if she chooses to marry? And is it culturally acceptable as the cultural standards of that time? So these are the things that Islam actually clarifies when it comes to marriage. And I want us to understand that in those days, there was not any set age of marriage actually. There was nothing like a set age of marriage. When it comes to marriage and consummation, it was determined by if the lady has reached puberty and if she is able to physically perform, and also if the family of the lady consents to her getting married actually. So these were the basis for marriage in those days. I find it very interesting when non-Muslims want to come at Islam or want to come at Prophet Muhammad, claiming that he did something wrong when this was culturally acceptable across all regions. Do you know that even in the Bible, there are plenty examples of people who got married young? For example, the Virgin Mary, she was actually 12 when she got married to Joseph, who was 90. And also Rebecca, she was 3 when she got married to Isaac, who was 40, according to historians and according to biblical references. So why are these people not being held accountable or being judged, these figures in Christianity? Why is it that they want to focus on Islam alone to say that Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did something that was totally wrong? And this is the mistake that I see most people doing today actually, and it's called presentism, which is using today's modern moral standards to judge ancient society, forgetting that things were completely different as at that time. Let me just give you an example. Like in Delaware, in the United States, the age of consummation of marriage up until 1890 was actually 7 years old. So it's important for us to even understand the wisdom behind Prophet Muhammad marrying Aisha radiallahu anhu when she was still young. This was actually a command from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to Prophet Muhammad. It was not according to his own laws or desires, but a revelation that was given to him by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we can see the benefit of this revelation today, actually, being that Aisha radiallahu anhu was very young when she married Prophet Muhammad. So even when he passed away, she was still young and she was able to narrate to us the sayings and the deeds of Prophet Muhammad, which today we hold as concrete hadiths, and which we use this to understand the practices of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I just wanted to correct this misconception, because I've been seeing it a lot actually on my page. So this is one of the things that I wanted to address.